To stay active while isolating to starve the virus, a lot of us have taken up running within our 2 kilometre zone, of course. We're playing to our strengths here because humans are among the best endurance runners in the animal kingdom. Our bodies have a whole host of adaptations, from long legs that can take big, efficient strides to reinforced joints that can absorb multiple impacts. But the most impressive is basically unique to us, and that's our ability to sweat. Humans are by far the sweatiest species. Our smooth, almost hairless skin is absolutely peppered with sweat glands that releases liquid onto the surface of our skin, which evaporates away the heat that's generated while running. No other animal can cool as effectively as us by sweating, and this was an essential advantage in the African savannas of our evolutionary past. Our sweaty skin meant that we could remain cool in the blistering heat of the midday sun, where we engaged in persistence hunting, literally running down some sadly sub-sweaty prey for up to 5 hours to the point of exhaustion and heat stroke. Meanwhile, Simba and his pride, who just can't keep their cool, would be forced to wait until the evening. But there's a catch. This impressive cooling system needs a steady supply of water. An athlete at full clip can easily lose 2, even 3 litres of water an hour to sweating. But any marathon runner will tell you that our bodies just can't store enough water to keep that up for hours and hours in the heat. We need to be able to rehydrate on the go to keep the sweat switched on. This is where culture, our collective knowledge, comes in. Our unique cooling system could evolve because of a very clever innovation. Putting your water into a container and carrying that with you. In the Kalahari Desert, for example, persistence hunters stay hydrated by fashioning ostrich eggs and antelope stomach sacs into water containers, allowing them to quench their thirst while chasing down prey. They also have the local know-how to find water that's stored in hollow tree trunks, which they suck out with reed straws. This combination of shared knowledge and the tools to use it supplied the essential ingredients needed to develop a sophisticated cooling system: water. This suggests that our incredible biological capacity for endurance running actually required culture to evolve. The existence of tools in our hands and knowledge in our heads reshaped our biology, and that made us the sweaty kings of the savannah. So if you're ever wondering if all of our modern technology is changing who we are as human beings, then go off for a run. But it won't be your phone slapping out Springsteen that's to blame. It's your bottle of water that's already left its mark on our humanity a very long time ago. And that, baby, is how we were born to run.